Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is Teacher Pressy. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Alright, for today's video, our topic is in science. Okay, we will be focusing on conductor or insulator. To understand more the topic, don't skip the video and please don't skip also the ads. Alright, we are now in Science 5. So, we have here two questions. How are we able to see the things around us? Again, how are we able to see the things around us? Okay, we have our eyes to see the things around us. How do we take care of our eyes? Again, how do we take care of our eyes? Okay, our eyes can see light. Of course, it can be brighter or brightest. Alright, so visible light. The light that is visible to human eye. Okay, this is the light that's visible to our human eye. Alright, so we have here optic. What do you mean by optics? Optics is the study of how light interacts with different objects through refraction, reflection, absorption, and transmission of light. Okay, how light interacts with different materials. Alright, exploration 1. Get a glass of water that is half full and dip a pencil into the glass of water. Number 1. What do you observe? Second, why do you think the pencil looks bent? Refraction. It refers to the bending of light as it passes through different materials. For example, the pencil in the glass of water appears bent because of different parts of the materials that interacts with light. Light moves faster in air than in water. Alright, exploration 2. Get a flashlight and a small mirror. Turn on the flashlight and point it to the mirror. Okay, we have here two questions. Explain. What do you observe? The second one, where do you think the light goes? Alright, to understand more the topic, I have here an example and picture. Reflection. It refers to the bouncing back of light when it hits an object. Some objects with flat surfaces like mirror reflect light in a straight, predictable way. Exploration 3. Number 1. Get a flashlight and a black shirt or cloth. The second one is turn on the flashlight and point it to the black shirt or cloth. Explain. We have here two questions. Number 1, what do you observe? And the second one, where do you think the light goes? Alright, absorption. It refers to the materials taking in light but not reflecting it back. For example, when light strikes a black surface, it is absorbed by the surface and nothing is reflected. Exploration 4. Get a flashlight and an empty glass of water. Number 2. Turn on the flashlight and point it through the glass. So we have here two questions. One, what do you observe? And the second one, Where do you think the light goes? Transmission. It refers to the passing of light through some materials. Transparent materials allow almost of light to pass through them. Clear plastic and glass windows are examples of transparent objects. Exploration 4. Get a flashlight and a notebook. The second one, turn on the flashlight and point it to the notebook. Okay, explanation. What do you observe? And the second one is, where do you think the light goes? Alright, opaque materials do not allow light to pass through them. Concrete walls, wooden doors, and mirrors are examples of opaque objects. Alright, so let us proceed. In what ways does light interact with different materials? Again, in what ways does light interact with different materials? How does light interact with materials in refraction? Try to observe the picture. Alright. How does light interact with materials in reflection? Alright, how does light interact with materials in absorption? Again, how does light interact with materials in absorption? Okay, how does light interact with materials in transmission? Alright, so group activity. Identifying materials that block, absorb, and transmit light. What you need: sunglasses, mirror, book, black shirt, cellophane, black colored paper, and then flashlight. What to do? Number 1, turn on the flashlight and point it to each of the materials. Number 2, put a check mark on the proper column if the materials block, absorb, and transmit light. Number 3, present your tabular form in front of the class. So we have here the columns, and all you have to do is you're going to check. Alright, let us proceed to evaluation. Okay, read each question carefully. Choose and write the letter of the correct answer. Number 1, it is the primary source of light. A, sun. B, moon. C, flashlight. D, light. Alright. What is your answer? Okay, let us proceed to number 2. The light that is seen by the human eye. A, refraction. B, highlight. C. Visible light. D. Transmission. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay, let us proceed to number 3. The bending of light as it passes through different materials. A. Transmission. B. Refraction. C. Reflection. D. Absorption. Okay, let us proceed to number 4. The bouncing back of light when it hit an object. A. Absorption. B. Transmission. C. Reflection. D. Refraction. Alright, let us proceed to number 5. Objects that do not allow light to pass through them. A. Opaque. B. Transparent. C. Translucent. D. Invisible. Okay, take your time. Alright, so let us proceed to your assignment. So use Venn diagram to compare and contrast the following. A. Refraction and transmission. B. Reflection and absorption. Okay, alright, so you can answer this at home.